or the Indian Pacific. They are some of the world's big train journeys. Well, I'm on a great little train journey called the Cockatoo Run. It's one of the most picturesque and has the steepest climb in New South Wales. I'm also on my way to a little town made famous by, of all things, a pig. This is a great day trip. The Cockatoo Run takes you on a 61-kilometre journey from Unanderra near Wollongong to Mossvale in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales. But most people get off at Robertson for a meal and a look around. The journey up the Illawarra escarpment to Robertson takes about 2 hours, and on board you'll travel in old world style. You're served a Devonshire tea of home-cooked scones and lashings of jam and cream, and everyone appreciates the friendly service. The rail line from Unanderra to Mossvale was opened in 1932 to service the Port Kembla steel industry. And as you climb, you travel through the remnants of coastal rainforests and then up into magnificent eucalypt forests. Now you might ask, why is this train called the Cockatoo Run? Simple, because the area you travel through is home to flocks of black and white cockatoos. We didn't see any on this trip, but I did see a wedge-tailed eagle. Magnificent. At a place aptly named the Summit Tank, there's a 15-minute stop where you can stretch your legs and just take in the views over Lake Illawarra to the coast and the Wollongong area. Once you leave the Summit stop, it's just a couple of minutes to our lunchtime destination. Well, here we are at Robertson, and this is the town where the film Fame was made, so let's take a look around. When you look at the rolling green hills and farmland around here, you can almost imagine seeing a pig rounding up sheep. Robertson is a sleepy country town. It's basically a very long main street with a few interesting shops. Once the train stops, most people go browsing for an hour or head to the Robbo Country Inn. It's one of the oldest pubs around here, and on Sunday afternoons you can enjoy the pub jazz and cook your own bistro lunch before boarding the train for the return journey. The Cockatoo Run operates from Saturday to Tuesday and on public holidays. A return trip costs $18 for adults, $16 for seniors and $13 for kids. Lunch at the Robbo Country Inn is extra.